Hello. So today let's try to edit a small video. So in earlier lessons I mentioned you can use software like Video Pad, but there's a better one which comes with a operating system, Windows 10. It's video editor. So this one, video editor. So video editor comes with operating system. So there's no need to install anything. So you can use it straight away. So it's open with my older project. So I'll just want to don't want that one. I will just say cancel. So so let's go for new project, new video project. So this is a blank project. So so now I can add my videos. So now, okay, from this PC. Right, so it's in I want to edit this one, picture formatting video I did earlier. So first thing I need to do is you need to add this one into storyboard. So I can add any amount of videos and then I can position these things on anywhere in a storyboard. Now what I want to do basically in this video, I want to remove some part initially. So maybe up to here I need to delete it. So it's very easy. There's a split option is there. So you can see it's split into 12-second clip and into a 8-minute clip. So I can click done. So this is the thing I don't want, I think very first clip. So I can just delete it, press the delete button and it went away. So now I have that video. So for this one also you can do so many things if you spend some time with this application. There are so many things you can do. You can have 3D effects, you can have various filters. So let's have some text. Let's have a title card, right? So title card which appear at the start of the video. So I add a title card. Then for my title card I need to have some text. Okay, so this is about picture formatting and positioning. So I can say picture formatting and positioning. Right, so then there are various styles there you can select, and let's use classic style and adventure style or okay, something, right? So click done. So then you have video like this. Then it's so many other things. You can have background music or custom audio or anything. So when everything is finished, you can click finish video and you can select the resolution is necessary. So I'll use a medium 720p, that's resolution, and I can export it. Right, so it will ask where to export it. So I'll just export it into a desktop, and I can give a name for this one. This is about picture formatting, so I should have the same name. Right, click export. Right, so it will take a bit of a time and export. Then I will be able to do whatever the things like upload into YouTube or upload into LMS. I can. So this is the best tool because you know the video pad you need to pay. Another one, the open source one, is also not that good compared to this one. This is the best one. So for your videos you can use this one. So I'll share this one with you, and then what you can do is you can try to edit a small clip.